In this tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick walkthrough on how easy it is to create policies leveraging Meraki software-defined WAN features of the MX product line. SD-WAN policies ensure that the best possible path is selected for essential cloud applications to make sure you have the speed you need to use them properly. Here we see our MX deployed at the Rhino Network's headquarters in Asheville, North Carolina. There are currently 2 WAN uplinks connected to the device. Let's create an SD-WAN policy for the Adobe Creative Cloud. On the menu to the left, hover your mouse over Security and SD-WAN, and under the Configure column, click on SD-WAN and Traffic Shaping. The first thing we need to do is configure the threshold on what we consider to be a good or bad performance from the Adobe Creative Cloud. Under the SD-WAN Policy section, click Create a new custom performance class. Under Name, I'm going to type Adobe CC, and then I will fill in the rest of the data here with what I feel is appropriate. Scroll down to the bottom of the page and press Save Changes. Next up is adding a preference to the VPN traffic. Click Add a Preference, and under Traffic Filters, click Add. In these built-in categories, I'm going to select Productivity and click on Adobe Creative Cloud. Once a traffic filter has been selected, click on your preferred uplink from the drop-down table, and a few more options will appear under it. This second drop-down says Failover if Poor Performance. How will we know if the performance is poor? Well, we've already created the custom Adobe CC Performance class, which we can now select from the third drop-down here. Now, every time the Adobe Creative Cloud is used, it's going to check if the connection meets the criteria we've set, and if it doesn't, it will fail over to a better path. Once you are finished, don't forget to save your work at the bottom of the page.